wajeshi mzuri.
Henry Wabyona arari uri umuhandisi w'icama wa President Omubyaheru yashabe Eminyeto mu district okutera Karuru akebiri 15 ebyokwezi uko kubanza hamwe nebiro ebirukurataho.
Urging them to mobilize their fellow youth to go and vote come 15th of January and the other days 22nd and the other days.
Ogu yashabe Eminyeto okuhiga Eminyeto mitahi yabo okwejumbira mu kutera Karuru.
We should all go and vote for their candidates as they have been guided. Then too, it's about socio-economic transformation. As young people and as Ugandans across the country.
Wabyona yashabe Eminyeto okora namani okugira ngo bakayetungura.
Mzee agamba itwena tunakuwa na kasente musawo wokuba otaina kasente musawo bakujoga nomuka yawo toina bubalizo abukuba olimunako nobugenda tungira akaisikawo akarungi agamba ati wekola mpeza so na bwekyo mzee agambye tunakola na amani tuwe na kasente musawo.
Godwin Angaria or Resident District Commissioner wa Kikuube yawereka ko bwahati ihanga ryo mu ntebekanisa za hamheruzo kwetebekanisa za Karuru akesabite kwija kandi abantu tibashemerere kwejumbira omukuretaho akavuyo aho bari kutera Karuru hamwe naho bari kukabara ari kugira ngo bitu bine kurinda obusinje.
The government which is led by His Excellency Yahigwa created a space for almost everybody. You can do business and have a better life. If you're a young person, there are good platform where you can go and achieve more academic papers. You can get jobs in oil and gas.
Peter Banura or chairperson wa Kikuube district yashabe Eminyeto obutaragamuramwa kandi yabashaba kutera President Museveni okwasira bendera bw'ekibine kya NRM ka chairman hamwe nabo bona abakwasira bendera ya NRM ahandengo zona.
There are certain things which are basic which some people do not see. And this is why I keep telling our people, especially my fellow leaders, that whatever good things we do now, I'll be very selfish, specifically in Bunyoro.
Makraga gasha kwa gada saba abwatayali West.
Oh, polisi.